So we've got our raw data here. Now the first thing you want to do is convert this into a table. The easiest way to do that is press Ctrl T, and then that will automatically select all your data, and then it'll say my table has headers. That's correct. Then press OK, and that will automatically convert it into a table. Now the next step is select anywhere within the table. This table design button will appear at the top. Select that, and then you want to select Insert Slicer, and then just simply select the data you want to sort by. So let's go with store, and then press OK, and then let's drag that to the side. And as you can see, you can now filter your data by store. So if I select Athens, the data related to Athens will come up, or for example, Bangkok, or Delhi, Istanbul, so on and so forth. Now, if I want to go back to my original data set, simply press this button at the top right side, so clear filter, and that will present all your data back again. Now, if you want to select multiple fields, then all you got to do is select one of them, let's say Athens, then press the Control button on your keyboard, and then press Bangkok. And then that will select multiple stores, as you can see. Or an easier way to do this as well is by pressing this button on the top, multi-select, and then you can select multiple different fields as you need. So I clear it for now. That takes me back to the original. Now let's say you want to add in the slicer. That's quite easy to do. You just select the table once again, go on Table Design, Insert Slicer, and on this occasion, let's select Item and press OK. I'll bring that to the side. Now let's say we want to see the number of stores who have sold a microwave. So I'll select Microwave, and then this will show me that 3 stores have sold a microwave, and the rest of them will be disabled because they haven't sold that particular product. Now you can further filter this by selecting the store of your choice. So let's go with Athens, and then that will give you the detailed breakdown of the salesperson, the pricing, and the discount given.